Nadine Wilkins here, and my topic for today is the importance of advanced preparation. Yes, it is Friday, and now is the opportunity to set yourself up for success. And the way that's going to happen is by actually taking the time to think and reflect on the things that happened this past week. So taking a look at, well, what worked this week? What didn't work? What do you need to do differently? What do you need to do more of? What do you need to do less of? If you have a team, how can you ensure their success? See, it is so important to take the time every single week to have a block of time where you actually sit and think, right? And if I were to give the minimum amount of time, like 2 30-minute sessions, 2 45-minute sessions every single week where you actually have a chance to sit down, look at your plan, have something specific, have something measurable, have something with a time frame in place, take a look at what you've done, take a look at what you need to do differently, and to actually implement it. See, we are in a day and age where we have so much information right at our fingertips. And we're in a place where you literally can spend so much time consuming content, consuming information, and learning and watching videos. And you're doing those things and you feel like you're accomplishing things within your business, but you're actually not. You're not doing the things that are going to produce an outcome in your business. And whatever that looks like, whether you're in a service-based industry, it is so important for you to take the time out to actually think about and look at, well, what have you been doing? See, when you have so much information right at your fingertips, it is so easy to lose focus on what's really important. And if you don't plan your day, and if you don't have that advanced preparation and put that time aside, you will find yourself doing so much, but really accomplishing not much at the end of the day. So I'm here to have a conversation with my entrepreneurial parents. I'm here to have a conversation with you to help you to, at this point, make a decision to focus, right? Do not go down the rabbit hole of consuming so much content and doing so many different things, and at the end of the day, not accomplishing one thing within your business or not moving your business forward. And I'm here to release you from all of that, right? Because in order for things to change, number one, you got to be aware that an issue even exists. And I'm telling you, there's so much out there. You can spend so much time looking at the latest, greatest ideas, looking at the latest, greatest guru who's telling you how you can make $1 million in your sleep without doing any work, without having to, do anything in your business. But I'm here to tell you, if you take the time out twice a week, once a week, to just think about where you are and where you want to be and actually put a specific plan in place to do that, your business within the next 21 days, within the next 90 days will look completely different than what it looks like now because you're more intentional and you're also more focused. So my rule of thumb is for every hour of content you consume, and listen, I'm all for personal development, I'm all for learning and all for growing, but I'm also for implementation. And I'm also for doing the work that's necessary to move my business forward, to help those that I am called to help and serve. But you can't do that if you are all over the place. So for every 1 hour of content you consume, you want at least 2 hours of productivity, block time, no distractions, where you are moving your business forward. So I hope this message makes a difference for you. If you are an entrepreneurial parent and you find yourself so exhausted at the end of the day, you find yourself, you're spinning your wheels, you have all this information, but you can't seem to just sit and accomplish what you're looking to accomplish or hit your income goals within your business, definitely check out my new case study video on my website, workwithnadine.com. Again, check out my new case study video at workwithnadine.com. Take care, guys, and God bless.